Excellians! Welcome back to Excel Academy. We're back with another punctuation video. Before we begin, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons below and keep following my lessons. In this video, we'll learn about using quotation marks when writing the titles of poems, short stories, and chapter titles. Now let's look at examples of each. When writing about poetry, be sure to use quotation marks. Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven provides us with a grim look at the suffering of a lost love. Secondly, use quotation marks when writing the title of a short story, as in the following sentence. Washington Irving reminds us in his short story, The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, that we may befall great tragedies should we not return home when we are expected. Be sure to use quotation marks for such titles, and certainly be on the lookout for the Headless Horseman. And finally, when writing about specific chapters in a larger work, be sure to use quotation marks. Henry David Thoreau's Walden makes myriad points about the necessity of living simply, particularly in the chapter Solitude. Notice here that the book title, Walden, is italicized, while the chapter title, Solitude, is not. Check out our next video for rules about when to italicize other titles, and you'll be ready to write like a pro. And in Henry David Thoreau's words, be sure to live deliberately and suck out all the marrow of life. Let us know about the marrow of your life by commenting below. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, Excellians.